Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. Well, we are in the first weekend of November, which means this is where I transition all of my efforts from plant content to Christmas content. So yeah, if you haven't noticed, in my description of my channel, there is also a channel called Ag Teacher Christmas. And that's where I do a whole bunch of work on animated Christmas lighting and Christmas decorating. Yes, not only am I a plant guy, but I am also a hardcore Christmas decorator. So this is going to be video one of a little bit of my prep. We're going to do a little yard cleanup, get some things out of the way, and then we're going to start getting ready to put up our awesome Christmas display, and I'm going to shoot a bunch of videos. Some of them are going to be over the top, some of them are going to solely be on the Ag Teacher Christmas channel, and some of them actually might be relevant for my Ag Teacher Thoughts channel. But I'm always going to remind you that that channel is there. So Ag Teacher Christmas is where I can refer you to for a lot of my Christmas content. Now, it is a seasonal channel in that I do most of the work there in the fall months. So generally October, November, December. This year I did a little bit of work in October, but mainly I'm going to focus in November and December. So if you like Christmas and Christmas related content, please go ahead and subscribe to that channel. Click the bell for notifications, follow along, like, subscribe, all of that jazz for that channel. And that's where you're going to find a lot of this. But without further ado, let's get Halloween put away and get ready to start putting up Christmas. Alright, so there we go. That is it for the Halloween decorations, and now we begin setup for Christmas. And I told you we go big. Yes, this is a giant C9 bulb I just bought from Home Depot. It's going to go with the set that I had last year. There's a little bit of retrofitting that I need to do to make them work right, but I think what I'm going to do now is just set them out so they can kind of be that first decoration. The first big thing to go in the yard. It's a little breezy today, so they're going to be there temporarily, but I at least want to see how they look. So let's work on that. Well, there we go. There is the giant Christmas light string that is out in the front yard. Now we still have to put the imitation cords in between them, and the blue ones and the yellow ones still need to be retrofitted to take a regular bulb, 120 volt bulb. Right now they're battery operated, so we've got to add the cords to the bottom because right now it's battery op, and we're going to change that. But anyway, there is a video that I have on my channel to show you how to do that conversion. I'm going to haul these one by one away and do that conversion and bring them back, but I'm going to do that on another video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching the teardown and the setup. So the teardown from Halloween and the setup, the beginning of the setup for the 2025 Christmas season. As always, Merry Christmas, and keep the lights shining bright. Ag Teacher Christmas out.